Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a little wild, and this is a cute little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to come in with my Smoky Slate. And then from A Little Wild, we are just going to use the elephant. And I'm only going to stamp the front part of him. I don't need the back part. So just like that. And I'm going to come in with my coordinating framelits. And bring in my Big Shot. I have my magnetic platform down. These are some baby shower invitations that we're making for my niece's baby shower. All right, and then you're going to want to come in and then just trim him away from the other side. All right, and I have my Smoky Slate and my cable knit, and then we're just going to center that just like that. And because it's a dynamic folder, you only need one pad, so we'll run that through. I accidentally had the die cutting one on there. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my metallic edged ribbon. And I'm just going to cut a piece. I'm going to center that. And I'm going to come in with some regular old tape. So just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive. And because it's embossed, remember you want to make sure you have adhesive on all four sides. And then our card base is Night of Navy, and it measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Or it's 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my Starburst punch, and I have my silver glimmer paper, and I'm just going to punch that just like that. And then I have my 2-inch circle punch. All right, so I'm going to get my glue dots, and I'm going to put some glue dots on the blue because the glue dot sticks a lot better to the glimmer paper. So we'll just center that, just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals, and I want to pop my little elephant up. You probably don't need 4. Just want to make sure that he stays on. So just like that, and then I'm going to come in with 4 more, and I'm being very strategic and I'm not putting them here in the middle so that the ribbon has somewhere to go. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple baby shower invitation or simply baby card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye.